the audience in the trend of development and integration. It requires each farmer, enterprise, and agricultural cooperative to apply science and technology and digital transformation into production and consumption of agricultural products. Digital transformation is also a solution that can overcome weaknesses in small-scale inefficient production towards the formation of value chain linkages in agriculture. The Farmers Union of Tay Ninh Province recently coordinated with the Central Committee of the Vietnam Farmers Union to organize a training session on implementing digital transformation in building new rural areas, focused on the National Digital Transformation Strategy, digital transformation in households and cooperative production, and implementing traceability of agricultural products. Agricultural land covers a very large area in Tay Ninh Province. The advantages of natural conditions, climate, soil, diligent and creative people all have contributed to the development of the province farming and production field over the past time. In addition to traditional and key agricultural products, consumers in many localities in and outside the province also know the typical products of the locality, such as chili salt, Trang Bang rice paper, Dedn Custard Apple, a geographical indication product, or Bàu Đồn durian, which is granted the planting area code. The application of technology to the production process, the building of brands and the implementation of product traceability have been creating opportunity for the promotion of production, expansion of consumption markets, and increasing competitiveness in the market for the province's strong products. According to the policies of the party and government, Vietnam strives to become an industrialized country by 2025, aiming to be modern beyond the middle-income level. In which, the policy of promoting digital transformation is one of the specific expressions of the will and aspiration of the country. As the backbone of the economy, digital transformation is one of the important factors to help farmers, farms, cooperatives, and businesses raise awareness, change behavior to improve quality, optimize production activities, reduce costs, increase profits and production efficiency. Digital transformation is a positive solution that can overcome the inherent weakness of small and fragmented production, etc., forming efficient production value chain linkages in agricultural production. Successful digital transformation will be an important factor in helping the country's digital transformation succeed. During the recent trip to organize the training course on the National Target Program in Tay Ninh Province, Mr. Trần Công Thuận, Deputy Director of the Farmers and Rural Support Center, the Central Committee of the Vietnam Farmers Union, stated that the recent COVID-19 epidemic proves that the application of digital technology has helped farmers blur geographical boundaries, remove bottlenecks in consuming and transporting agricultural products by putting them on trade floors, in marketplaces, etc., helping farmers to sell their products on a large national market at a better price. To carry out digital transformation, it requires farmers to have smartphones. Recent statistics show that from November 2021 to now, more than 2 million farming households nationwide have been trained in digital transformation, linkage and value chains, and 50,000 agricultural products have been put on e-commerce platforms such as Postmart and Seashell, Viettel, etc. According to the survey of the Dedn Association, 50% of Vietnamese rice, vegetable and fruit farmers have been trained and applied digitalization in agricultural production. Compared to Asian standards, Vietnam is one of the leading countries in digital transformation in agriculture. Facing the challenges of the COVID-19 epidemic and in the current global economic situation, digital transformation is a great opportunity for partners in the agricultural food production chain to continue to cooperate to promote production with the biggest goal of improving the production efficiency for farmers and increase their production value. Minh Trung Agricultural Service Cooperative in Tân Hưng, Kham Mueang, Tân Châu District is one of the units that have approached and gradually implemented digital transformation. Applying planting area cost and traceability of fruit trees in Tay Ninh. Established in April 2022, specializing in custard apple, agricultural materials and transportation services, the cooperative has 30 members, including 4 associate houses and 26 farming households with 100 hectares of pickup standard custard apple. The cooperative harvests and purchases on average 10 to 15 tons of custard apple for farmers every day. The digital transformation is practically applied in this unit. The cooperative is building models of agricultural production chains, which are still new, but it has been unanimously accepted by all members. Our cooperative is building models of agricultural production chains. We also selling fertilizers to member and non-member farmers, harvest agricultural products and buy agricultural products for farmers. Because production is concentrated, the price is more stable than the outside market. During production, we have also implemented traceability code to help farmers find out the address of each region, each garden, dates and time of harvest, fertilizers that farmers use in their gardens, etc. For the health and safety of consumers, it's still quite new to farmers, so the implementation and transfer to farmers also have some problems. But fortunately, the farmers have been trying. The farmers see that the immediate effect is very obvious, so they enthusiastically participated in training courses on technology transfer and traceability proposed by the Provincial Cooperative Union. In order to provide officials and farmers members with knowledge about digital transformation in agriculture, planting area cost, the application of digital technology in the management of planting area cost, the implementation of traceability and chain linkage in production and agribusiness, the Farmers Union of Tay Ninh Province coordinated with the Farmers and Rural Support Center directly under the Vietnam Farmers Union to organize the training course on the National Target Program on building new rural areas in 2022. Attending this training course, officials and members of the Farmers Union will grab and observe the contents of digital transformation in new rural construction in general and in production and consumption in particular. Then they will deploy and replicate to the Farmers Union staff and members, to individuals, businesses, cooperative groups, branches, and groups of professional farmers union in the province. This is considered the key to improving competitiveness, helping businesses and manufacturers create breakthroughs to bring production into depth, efficiency, and sustainable development in the present and future volatility in the markets. The Central Committee of the Vietnam Fatherlands Union has also issued many documents directing provinces and cities to include digital transformation and improve knowledge for farmers in the implementation of the program on building new rural areas. Visiting Tay Ninh Farmers Union, we were introduced by the Union Standing Committee about good models such as the durian farming model in Go Dao District, which has been granted a planting area code, traceability, and improved product quality. Now, when visiting Minh Trung Cooperative, I see that the production model here is initially good. Hopefully, with the cooperation of the whole political system, the whole system of farmers' unions will create the best conditions, provide capital, technology, and training for farmers, so that people can understand the benefits of participating in linkage chains, value chains, and involving cooperative in order to improve production quality to consumers, also increase prices for farmers providing services, etc. The issue of digital transformation is still quite new to the majority of farmers. The transfer to farmers hasn't progressed as expected. The lack of facilities in many organizations, cooperative, agricultural production association groups is an obstacle to their development plans to new heights. For example, Mintum Cooperative in Tangzhou District, the harvesting and classification of custard apple fruit size and quality require fruit sorting machines. It isn't possible to classify according to the feelings of each farmer garden owner as at present, which may affect their brand. This unit also urgently needs to equip a factory for preliminary processing of ripe custard apples to take on agricultural products, because the amount of ripe fruit is quite large. If the fruit aren't packed, they usually have to throw away. This is a common problem in most agricultural production organizations today. Facing the situation, hopefully relevant levels and branches will take measures to remove and facilitate farmers in quickly integrating into the times. Dear audience, it's time to say goodbye to today's program. Thanks for joining us and see you next time.